Hey boys and girls, this is journal page 216, lesson 10-2. Describe the likelihood of the event given its probability. So for number 1, 30% chance of snow, that's less than 50% chance. Remember, 50% chance is even chances, 30% chance would be unlikely. Number 2, you solve a brain teaser 0.75 of the time. Well, 0.75 is the same as 75% of the time, which is most often or more often than 50% of the time. So you would say that's likely. Down here, you randomly choose one hat from 3 green hats, 4 black hats, 2 white hats, 2 red hats, and 1 blue hat. Find the probability of the event. Super important that I count up how many hats there are correctly. So 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 2 more is 11, plus 1 is 12. So that lets me know that there are 12 total possible outcomes. That goes on the bottom of my fraction. Choosing a red hat. Well, let's see, there are 2 red hats. So 2 out of 12. I have a 2 out of 12 chance of picking a red hat. Choosing a black hat. Well, now my total possible outcomes doesn't change. Still 12, but black hats, I have 4 of them. So it's 4 out of 12 for that. Number 5, not choosing a white hat. You're right, there's still 12 things that can happen, not white. Well, if there are 2 white hats, that means there are 10 that are not white. Number 6, choosing a blue hat. Well, out of 12 things that can happen, there's only 1 blue hat. 1 out of 12 chance. Not choosing a black hat. 12 possible things can happen. 4 of them are black, which means 8 of them are not black. I have an 8 out of 12 chance of not choosing a black hat. Number 8, not choosing a green hat. 12 things can happen. There are 3 green hats, which means not green would be 9 of them. 9 out of 12 chance. The probability that you draw a mechanical pencil from a group of 25 mechanical and wooden pencils is 3 out of 5. How many are mechanical pencils? Well, number 9, I have a 3 out of 5 chance. So that would mean that if there were 5 pencils, 3 of them are mechanical. But there are 25 pencils. So how many are mechanical? Well, I had to multiply by 5 for the total number of pencils. I multiply 5 for the mechanical pencils. 15. Mechanical. Very good. Well, boys and girls, have a wonderful night. If you have any questions, ask them in class.